Hello everybody, I want to show you guys how to add your autoresponder to your websites today. And this is the Academy team over at MK Hosting, where we're going to put all these training videos. So anything you guys need to know how to do, they'll be right here, right? So sorry, we're going to go over to MK Hosting now. We're going to log in under account login. It's up in the top right. Once you're logged in, you're going to be in the back office, right? You know the quick links on the right hand side. There's two of them that we're going to use today, but the first one is going to be email marketing login. Once you click on this, you're going to log in with your username and password, and that's going to bring you to the autoresponder. Now, in the other videos, we would have already set this up, but I want to show you guys, this is going to be your autoresponder. You know, it's going to show you keep hold of your contacts, talk to your contacts, send out your email blast, whatever. Look up at the top right hand corner here. There's a bunch of things: home, templates, forms, my account, logout, help, etc. Okay, you're going to click on Forms. Now, we've already set this up in previous videos, right? So you're going to click on View Website Forms. I have two of them. One of them is Marketing Training 101. One of them is MK2. I'm going to use the Marketing Training one. This is so that when people sign up, the contacts go to different places. I have, them stored under two different sections, and that way when I send out a training email, it goes only to people that want to learn. The other one just goes out to people in the company. So you're going to click on Get HTML. If you look over here on the right hand side, it's the second button in, called Get HTML. So once you click on Get HTML, alright, so you clicked on form code. Now I want to show you guys that anything after the exclamation point like this is not going to show up in your website. It's only there as a note for you. So, just so you guys know that, anything inside of an exclamation point is a note for the person coding the site. It's not going to show up on the internet. So anyways, we want to make sure we get the whole thing, top to bottom. You have to have every piece of code here. So you're going to go ahead and copy this. We're going to go back over to the MK hosting site, okay? Now we're going to click on the top link. This is going to bring us into our server, the web hosting login. And I know I'm going kind of fast, guys, but you guys can stop and rewind this and stuff. I only have 10 minutes to get all this information in there. I don't know if I'm going to fit it. Go ahead and click on the top link here under quick links. It's going to be web hosting login. Once you click on this, you're going to log in. It's going to bring you to a section just like this. We've gone over this when we uploaded our website to this. You're going to go ahead and click on File Manager. It's in the third box of options down, third option in, called File Manager. You're going to click on this. A box is going to pop up with your domain in the middle. Make sure it's got your domain in it. And then we're going to check off web root public HTML. Now that's almost always checked off already, but that's where the files go that people can view, right? People that see on the internet, that's what they see is those files. You're going to go ahead and click Go, and that's going to bring you to this section here. And that's not going to be checked off. It's just going to look just like this. So now what I want you guys to do is you're going to go ahead and click on this box. You're going to check it off, okay, which is going to highlight it blue. And you're going to click on Code Editor. This is going to be you see these options right here at the top? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th option in. It's got the open close tag on it. You're going to go ahead and click on that. And when you do, it's going to, it's actually going to ask you some questions, but you don't change any of this stuff. You guys just click on Edit, and when you click on Edit, it's going to open a page just like this. I've already got one open. It's right here. So now this is what the coding is going to look like for your website, right? What I want you guys to do now is, you see over here in line 20, it says Close HTML. We're going to go up to where it says Close Table, because anything with a forward slash in it is closing a tag, right? So that's closing that table. After that table, we want to be inside of the HTML and the body close, because what we're doing right now is still part of the HTML. It's still part of the body. So we're not going to go after that. We're going to go before it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Enter, make a space in between those two. And I'm going to put some breaks in there. And the reason I'm putting some breaks is because when I did this before, the autoresponder ended up right on top of the video, and I want to leave a little bit of space. 4 breaks, you're going to hit Enter after every one. You hit Enter, you're going to do the greater than, less than symbols there. You see how I'm doing them? And then you're just going to hit BR, do about 4 breaks, and then we're going to paste our autoresponder code in here. So you're just going to right click, put your see, I'm on line 23 here. There's a space, and then you're just gonna click paste. Excuse me, and that's gonna paste your autoresponder code. Now remember, I said everything after the exclamation point doesn't matter. You guys see all this? So that's irrelevant, right? Now we get into the style of the page. We're not going to alter any of that either. The style has to stay the same, but if you see after the style, my cursor, I just put it there. I'm going to go ahead and, actually the next line down, you see where it says form method equals post? Okay, that is where your autoresponder is posting to on the server. So right before that tag, we're going to make our own tag, right, with the opening, the greater than, less than symbol, but we're going to write center inside of it, okay? And so it's going to be, you know, the greater than, less than, I don't know which ones they are, but we got both tags, we put a tag on each side, and then we wrote center in the middle, and then we have the next tag is form method equals post. Now we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. You see where the where the script ends? It's a closing script tag. We're going to put our cursor right after that, and we're going to close our center tag right there. So we're going to put the greater than, less than symbol, a /. We're going to go ahead and write center, and then we're going to close that tag. Now our autoresponder is going to be centered. There is one other option you guys can do here, which I think looks better. If you look here where all the input text custom fields, ID equals custom fields, what I have gone ahead and done is changed these to 35s. They're a little long when the company made them at 50. I personally, with this website, I like them. I think they look better at 35s. So what I did is put them all at 35s, but then you can actually copy this, and you can actually add it. You see, just make sure you copy, whatever you copy here, you got to add it up here, but they actually have the name one right here, where they do not have a size. So if you add that in now, when I show you the website, they're all going to be the same size, and it just makes it look that much more professional. See? If you see how all of these are all the same size now, before, these three right here would have been real long, and this one at the top would have been real short. This is where your email address, your first name. I'll show you guys another video on how to change the colors on these, or how to actually you can add a square box around it. You can do a lot of stuff with this. But thank you guys. That's how you add your autoresponder to a website, and that's how you change the size of these boxes. The next video I'll show you guys will be how to change the title up top here maybe, and how to change the colors here on your autoresponder. Thank you guys for coming to the Academy team for all your training purposes. My name is Matthew, and I want to welcome you guys.